Hello. Today I'll be teaching a very good cross trading strategy and I'll backtest it and show you how such a simple strategy can help you in getting good returns very quickly. So this is the trading view chart and daily. These are every candle is weekly and we can change it to daily. This is then every candle becomes daily. I've selected this indicator called moving average ribbon, this one. Once you select it, you go to the settings and make these. You have the option of either making them EMAs or SMAs. SMA is simple moving average, and I've selected EMA, and they can be there's an exponential moving average, 9 period, 50 period, and 200 period. So nine period gives an average of the last 9 candles in the time frame that we are in. Currently, we're in the daily time frame. So 9 moving average will give an average line of the last 9 daily candles. Similarly, the 50 moving average, because we're in the daily chart, it will give the a line which will denote the average of last 50 daily candles and 200. Let's press, and these are the colors. I can even make them thicker. Let's make it slightly thicker. The thickest one is the white one, which is 200. This is the thinnest. Thinnest indicating a lower number, thicker is a bigger number, and the thickest is the biggest number. Now, when the thinner moving average, which is the 9, is above the thicker moving average, which is red, which is again above the thickest moving average, which is white, it's a very bullish stock. Bullish meaning that the price of the stock is going to or has a chance of going up in the future. The golden cross is when the 50 period moving average crosses 200 at this point. When it crosses from down towards the top, it's bullish, which is a good sign. But when it crosses from the top towards down, that's a bearish, not a good signal. It has not happened yet, but it can happen. Let me try and show you where it happened. Here, where the 50 period moving average from the top, it crossed the 200 period moving average from top towards the bottom. That was not a good signal. So from here, if I was watching this stock somewhere here, I'm expecting the price of the stock to fall in the future. And this is what happened. It fell from the price of 35 approximately down to 22. Now, if we backtest this strategy, we click replay and we backtest this golden cross trading strategy. And suppose we go back and we click here, for example. We don't know what's going to happen in the future. Let's try and react based on how these moving averages cross each other. This is the 9 moving average. It crosses the 50 period moving average from top towards bottom, which is bearish. Now, the first thing we see is that when the price is below the 200 period moving average, we will be taking short trades. When the price is above the 200 period moving average, we'll be taking long trades. I prefer working with the daily chart or 4-hour chart at least. Lesser than that, it can give more false signals. Okay, now we are looking for shorts. As soon as the 9 period crosses the 50 period from top to bottom, we can go short. And let's click on the short position. Suppose we were here, we can put a stop here and we can aim for 1.2:1 risk reward trade. So the stop can be slightly higher than 1.2. So let's play this out. I have no idea whether we will win or lose, but partial profits could have been taken at halfway point. Actually, because we have gone bullish here and crossed the 200 period moving average, if I was really trading this, I would have taken partial profits here at 50% and I would have exited the remaining position here. However, for the sake of this video, let's see what happens. Exactly. See how powerful actually the signal is. As soon as 200 period moving average was crossed, and here we first time have the golden cross where the 50 period crosses the 200. We are extremely bullish at this point. But as it's too extended far away from the 50 period, we are not going to take a trade here. We are just looking for a bullish trade, looking to go long, but we need to wait a little bit. We are waiting for the 9 period moving average to cross below the 50 and then cross up again. Now it has crossed below. We are looking at this price where we might be getting a cheap price to buy this to go long. Why? Because it's above the 200 period moving average. And let's see what happens. Again, we have broken the 200 period moving average. So we are looking for this from the 50 period crosses the 200 from the top to bottom, which is not a good sign. Let's see what this is. Not in a trend right now, so we are not taking any trades. Again, we are in bullish momentum. We're waiting for the 9 period to fall below the 50 and then cross up. So here we can take a bullish trade. The 9 fell before below the 50 and then cross the 50 from down towards the top, and we can take a long trade here. Let's see what happens. Again, I have no idea whether we're going to win this or not, but I have done a lot of back testing for this, and we can 1.2 is to 1. We have not yet won it, and we win it. That was a winner. Let's see again. Oh, that was a very very big winning trade. Let's wait for the 9 period moving average to fall below the 50 again, and again it's about to cross from below to the top. We will be taking a trade right there as soon as it crosses it. Yes, there. Let's take a trade. Get it below the swing low. 1.2 is to 1. Let's see what happens. I think this is too big a stop loss, but let's see what happens. This was a loss. As soon as it crossed the 200, I actually would have been out. That's why we are always looking for 1.2 is to 1 trades, so that when we win big, and when we lose a smaller amount. In my real trading, I also add other indicators which help in getting a better entry. But this is one of the important things to understand, which works very well in conjunction with price action and other indicators. This is not financial advice. I'm not a person who can give financial advice to anybody. Please do your due diligence and take trades carefully and do proper learning before you move on to trade with your real money. Please like and subscribe and leave in the comments below what topics you would like me to take up next, and I will drop a video on them as soon as I can. Bye bye.